a bitch. Dog ass nigga off the leash, duck in the pitch. When it found the plug, came back and take her to the hood, but I can't take her on a date. Sleep walking on that codeine, but I'm wide awake.
You know what I mean? I had to get out here and straighten this shit up, nigga. Get this shit the hard way. You know what I mean? I had to figure this shit out, nigga.
Tried to rape me. I wear water, I don't drink it, I drink lean. I pour lean and grapefruit juice and rock blue diamonds.
Yo, what it do, man? We up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? What a dog person said, man. What it do, man? Yeah. What that KT over there? KT at work over there. COKT. But man, I was looking for the perfect time to vlog, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I had so much going on in between what I was doing. So feeling this is the perfect time. I had to, man, get me, oh shit. Had to give me something to eat. Had to, man, good old police over there, man. He's working over here in South Haven. I'm tripping. I'm in a Jeep. I don't know what I'm slowing down for. I guess it felt like I was going fast. But, yeah, man, I had to give me something to eat, man. I had to make some stops and stuff, and I made one stop at Harbor Freight, man. Yes, sir. Y'all know, man. That's the candy store. I made one stop at the candy store, man, and show y'all what I bought, man. When once I stopped. But I'm about to go make a stop that y'all probably wouldn't even think that I would be making. Yeah, I probably wouldn't even think I'd be making this type of stop right here. Y'all probably be like, man, boy, you a city boy, you don't want to do this type of stuff. And you're right. You're right. I've done it before when I was younger, but I was younger. Like it was almost like I had to do it. So I've been seeing Jeeps like crazy too. I done seen about, I think that's the third or fourth one. Maybe might be the fifth, because I ain't record some of them. I've been seeing these Jeeps like crazy, man. But yeah, man, I'm finna go holler at my dog Tank, man, with that purple box Chevy, man, with them 28s on it. Full head jump. Y'all done seen him in a couple of the videos. I'm finna go holler at him. And yeah, man, I'm finna take him up on this offer, man. He been screaming this offer on Facebook, man, for the longest. And I was like, man, I'm gonna get down, and I never got down here, man. So today, I said, man, I'm finna go down here, handle this business. So I'm on my way down here to his shop, and once I get down here, I hit y'all back. One got me an X, man. One of my partners that put on Facebook, man, he said he had some free firewood, man. So get what I'm finna do. I'm finna chop me some firewood right quick. Chop a little firewood, man, and yeah, that's gonna be that. Y'all know, Eyes is a city boy, and I ain't used to this right here, so we gonna see how this finna play out.
Ancient Maine.
We finna see how this right here finna play out, man, cause
Ancient Maine.
yeah, I don't know. But yeah, he said his son on the way up here, man, and let me in or whatever, so I can see what's really going on. But yeah, we're finna see. We just finna see. If I can't, yeah, I mean, if it'll fit in here, and I ain't gotta chop it, then I just chop it when I get to the house. I got me a little sharpening block and everything. I don't know how sharp the what's called is from. You know what I'm saying? From the store. So. Man, put me a little sharpening on that thing and go to work. Yeah. Your dog. Finna see what we got going on, man. Call me LumberJack B from now on, man. LumberJack B, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be me, man. It's gonna be me, man. Man. I'm stuttering and everything. LumberJack B, man. Yeah. See how this go. I went to get the firewood. Got me an axe. All that good stuff. Uh-oh. Look, who's that? Who's that right there?
What?
Who's that? Who's that?
It's Mommy.
Yep. Went to get the firewood.
The firewood.
Let me show y'all.
The fire.
I went to get the firewood and he said it was some logs. Let me show y'all what kind of logs he meant. Oh. Let me show you. This is what he meant by log. Hey, man. I thought he meant logs, like little sticks. Like not little sticks, but logs, like. Oh. I thought he meant logs, like not tree trunks.
Get me out of here.
Man, I was over there hitting it with that axe, man. It's a good little workout. I ain't crack it down. I busted down a little bit. I ain't busted down I wanted to though, but we're gonna get it done when I get to the house though. We're gonna get it done when I get to the house. Or we gonna try to. I'm gonna get a crack at it every day if I got to.
Daddy.
So yeah, man, I just picked up the duty man. Just picked up the duty man and finna head to the house. So yeah, and I'm out of breath. Whew, told y'all, man. I'm making a damn mess, man. Told y'all, man. Call me LumberJack B, man. Got me a little piece off of there. Now that, I can consider that a log. And that. But that ain't no log, man. Man, this ain't no log, dog. Yeah. Go back over here on this side over here. Let me get me some. Get me some. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry about it, Tank. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Come back out. Come back out. I'm a city boy. Doing country shit. City boy. Let me see if this go. I'm trying to get my phone to record. Yeah. That thing split, Tank, look. Yeah. City boy. Doing country shit. Country shit. You see my lip, don't you? Country shit. Yeah. Give me some of that. Yeah. Split. Yeah. Ooh-wee, man. I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie to you. I worked on it. I might go and get that bigger axe tomorrow. I gotta make some little chips though. I got me enough to barbecue with. But for real though, I'm gonna need a chainsaw to even cut them. I mean, y'all can see. Well, I split it though. Split on both sides. Well, it's split right there. It's split right there. Y'all can't see it. Hold on. I don't want nobody to think I'm lying. Split right there. Might be split on this side of it too. It is. Split right there too. This bad boy right here, I was trying with him. This is the one I was trying with when I first got down there. Didn't work. But I got that one split. But I really need to get the log cut to, you know what I'm saying, like, so it can, when I do cut the wood, it'll still fit in my fireplace. You know what I'm saying? So this one gonna have to be cut too. And then I can bust it down with the with the axe after that. I know what I'm finna do though. I'm finna go sharpen my axe. I got a block. I'm finna go sharpen my axe. Probably gonna be back out here tomorrow, Jack, doing some things. I think my little fire pit just froze over. It's all good though. I was gonna put some plastic over this wood so it wouldn't get wet no more, and so it could at least be trying to dry out, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Once I split it up, I sit it in the garage and that'll do me just fine. But yeah, man. Woo-wee. It's hard being a lumberjack.